Going on 70 years now, Atlas Industrial Contractors has been a trusted name in industrial manufacturing, delivering exceptional millwright, rigging, and electrical services across North America. We evolved to meet the demands of modern manufacturing with Atlas Automation, your partner in intelligent, precision-driven solutions for any industry. The world of manufacturing is evolving fast, but precision, scalability, and flexibility have always been the biggest challenges. Atlas Automation, a fully standardized, AI-driven welding and jointing system that is universal, repeatable, and scalable. Built as modular manufacturing cells, these systems vary in size to handle small, mid, and large part assemblies, but the technology inside remains the same. What makes Atlas Automation different? Standardization. Standard and universal AI-driven weld joint cells, no excessive cost. Fixtureless manufacturing or hybrid configurations. Adapt to any production need. Turnkey solutions. Quick build times, standard lines, and no dedicated tooling. Built for scalability. Integrate one cell or hundreds with seamless operation. This isn't just automation, it's the blueprint for the next generation of smart factories. Atlas Automation is more than a machine. It's an intelligent system that orchestrates the entire manufacturing process with unparalleled precision. Here's how it works. Parts are presented to the line via AMRs or other means. Robots use AI vision and GeoSet AI to identify, classify, and select the correct part. Dual part detection ensures only the right component moves forward. Fixtureless handling eliminates the need for costly tooling. Every part is scanned for defects, orientation, and dimensional accuracy. AI-driven multi-vector algorithms digitally map and position each component. Ensures perfect 0.2 millimeter precision for repeatable assembly. High-speed automated welding with real-time AI monitoring. Every weld is verified for dimensional accuracy, joint integrity, and strength. Eliminates human error, ensuring consistent, defect-free results. Final inspection and quality assurance deep learning AI performs dimensional analysis, weld joint verification, and defect detection. No guesswork. Every part is validated before it moves forward. Once complete, autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, handle part transfers. The entire system has the ability to operate lights out 24/7, maximizing uptime and efficiency. Atlas Automation isn't just about technology, it's about transforming the industry. We don't just provide systems, we design for smarter factories. Pioneering innovation in Industry 4.0, manufacturing intelligence, bridging automation with real-world factory needs. From the shop floor to full factory automation, we deliver solutions that redefine how manufacturers operate. Imagine a world where automation is standard, manufacturing is universal, and efficiency flexibility is limitless. Atlas Automation makes it possible. Limited downtime production with 24/7 autonomous operation. Adaptive, flexible cells that evolve with your production needs. Unmatched precision and AI-driven intelligence at every stage. Quick changeover between different product families. This isn't just automation, it's the future of smart manufacturing. The future of Industry 4.0 starts now. Contact Atlas Industrial Contractors today to see how Atlas Automation can transform your production. Innovation meets precision. Atlas Automation.